Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about, you guessed it, DWAC. Now, over the past couple of days, there's been so much volatility pretty much among this stock. You can see over the past 5 days, the highs here are at $121. But if we actually go to the 10-day chart, this is where things get super interesting, where this thing went from $9 all the way up to $175 in the matter of 3 days. This move was over 1,000% in value. Not to mention, in a single day, the stock went up 350%, hit that 175 mark, sold off. Now, during this time, it had several circuit breaker halts, pretty much when the exchange just says, hey, the stock is too risky. We're just going to pause trading on it. You cannot buy, you cannot sell. And if you have already bought or placed an order, what happens is they pause it. And then once it reopens, your order pretty much just gets filled at whatever the trading price is, which is either super good or, in my opinion, super bad. So before halts, it's always better to get in before them because they do have this tendency to squeeze up and then sell off. So people actually did buy up at 175 thinking it was going to hit 200 or 250, but it just sold off. Now, the biggest question a lot of people are asking is, are we going to see this stock hit highs again at 175? And I think there is definitely some potential there, but overall, right now, this company is in this zone where it's a little overvalued, but it's more people getting into it for the growth of it, for the opportunity of it. You know, this company is working with Trump Media to create that social media platform called Truth, and Trump's idea behind it is he just wants to have a social media platform that he doesn't get banned from, right? He tried going on Facebook, they banned him. He tried going on Twitter, they banned him. So he just said, hey, I'm Trump, I'll just make my own app. And that's what he's doing right now. And he already has 80 million, voters. So imagine if half of them download this app. I think it's going to be a lot more than that. But overall, still, he has and is such a powerful person. And so people are getting in on it thinking, okay, this company is going to be the next Facebook, causing this stock to skyrocket up. I definitely think there's a lot of opportunity there, but overall right now in the company for DWAC, it's mostly speculation, right? The company isn't making money. The company is really just in the works of it. They haven't produced a product yet. So how far out are we until we see the growth? I think we're probably about 1.5 to 2 years out, just because it's going to take time for them to develop that app. Overall, will it hit these highs? I think if it does, it's going to be pure off speculation. It's going to be pure off just people getting into it for the growth, very similar to in here. But what stocks do with this momentum is they have this huge spike up, they sell off, and then they have one other initial move that will pop up not to 175 but to about 120 or to about 140. We saw this among virtually every stock that made massive moves, like GameStop. If we actually go out and go to the yearly chart, you can see it popped up, sold off, and then it popped up again, and then it does these pops maybe like a week or 2 weeks later. Very similar thing with AMC, popped up, sold off, and then popped up again. So now when we are looking at the stock, it's going to most likely pop up, sell off, and then pop up again. That is my idea behind it. So should you buy it? I think a good strategy for getting in on this company would be doing dollar cost averaging, because it's a fantastic way to pretty much pick up shares, but virtually eliminate a lot of the downside risk, because all you do is you figure out however much you want to invest into this company. So if you want to invest, let's just say $1,000 into DWAC, instead of putting that all up front right now, all you do is you spread it out into monthly, weekly increments of like $100. So you still invest that total principal of $1,000, but the beautiful part, if the stock continues to go up, you're making money because those share values are going up. And if it sells off like it's doing, all you do is you just average down your shares. Not to mention, this stock does have this tendency to use that 200 support, 200 moving average line as some pretty hard support. You can see it tapped it in here before. It tapped it several times in here. So now it's actually curling down to tap it again. So I do think a good buy for a swing trade would be about $66, seeing if we could get back up to about 76, setting stops at 60. So you virtually risk $3 or $4 to possibly make 10, which is a good risk and reward for the swing trade. But if you just want a fun investment, DWAC will definitely do it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.